Hi everybody and welcome back to my channel. So this is a review video of these beautiful gel polishes that I've got from Madame Glam, and this is the design that I created using those gel polishes. So I'll get started. Okay, so here are the new gel polishes that I've received from Madame Glam. So here we go, check these colours out. How exciting is this? So first off, we have a top and base coat. So then we've got some gorgeous colours. So we've got here, this one is Maze. This one is called Ego. This one is called Darling. Then we've got Pumpkin Pie. And then this one is Plum Addict. I've got the Madame Glam mini UV LED lamp. These things are the best thing ever because it means that I can travel. I travel a lot to see my family, so I can travel with a little lamp like this, and they're so fantastic. So it's got little legs, if I could get them. My nails are in the way. There we go. So if you're struggling, you've got, and if you can see it, there's like a little lip there. I could get my nails right underneath it. Cool. So that's where the USB plug goes in. We've got the light there, the on-off switch. So this is the USB lead. Pop that in there. Oops. Fits in beautifully. Look how cute. How cute that looks. So press the button once, it gives you the 45-second time. Press it again and then it takes it up to 60 seconds, and then you press it again and it turns off. Absolutely fantastic. I love how dinky this is. Perfect for what I need. So I've got my swatch sticks here. I'm going to do a little bit of swatching. So to start off with, we've got Darling, and look at this gorgeous colour. These colours are absolutely perfect for autumn. So they are on the website at the moment for $9.98, and the delivery was super fast, and I'm sure you can see this now. You get absolutely perfect coverage with just 2 coats. Absolutely gorgeous colours, so creamy. They are from the cream collection, so extremely creamy, living up to their name. So I pop 2 coats of the colour on, and like I said, absolutely flawless coverage in 2 coats. Sometimes even in just 1 coat is absolutely perfect, flawless coverage. Cure each coat for 45 seconds in my new Madame Glam LED lamp, and then I applied top coat and I cured that in the LED lamp for 60 seconds. So I've just done Plum Addict. Now we've got Maze. This one, hubby chose this one. He really liked it, so hubby chose it for me, obviously. He thought it was a really gorgeous colour, and I have to agree with him. Absolutely love it. So beautiful. Like I said, delivery was super fast. Really fantastic delivery, fantastic service, customer service. This is a bit of a grey brown one. I just love the colour. I just think they're so warm and rich colours, just perfect for this time of year. Really beautiful. Just applying the top coat there to this one. I didn't show you putting top coat on all of them because I thought, the video is going to be massively long. So that one was just Ego, and this one is the one that I actually use on my nails for my design in this video. Just popping that on there, 45 seconds, going in with a second coat. Really cute colour, perfect for this time of year again. pop that on, cure for 45 seconds, so that's pumpkin pie. So I just pop a little tip on my nail here. I've prepped my nails. As you can see, I had a different design on, so I just filed all that off, ready for a new set of tips. So I popped down my primer, and then I've already prepped my cuticles and etc, etc. So I'm just popping down a bead of clear acrylic here, clear acrylic liquid and powder on my thumb, on my forefinger and on my ring finger. So they're just clear because I'm going to use the gel polish on those nails. I've gone with super long nails as well. So to match the colours that I'll be using on my nails, to match the gel polishes, I went with a gold glitter. It's sort of gold and bronze, just beautiful autumn colours, bit of a chunky glitter, and there's a tiny little bit of small glitter in there as well. It's all gold basically. Just pop that down. I popped down a very thin layer of clear acrylic liquid and powder. I didn't film that because you've seen that a million times, I'm sure. So just cover my entire nail with this glitter, and I also do this glitter, pop this glitter on my little finger as well. So once I've covered the nail in the glitter, I then go in with my clear acrylic liquid and powder in order to encapsulate that nail. Just pop it down at the top, and then I drag it down towards the bottom. Then I file those nails just to make sure that they're lovely and smooth, get rid of any bumps, go around the cuticle areas with my e-file to make sure they are really flush with my cuticles, make sure there will be no lifting on those nails, and then I buff them off. So then I'm just going in with a fantastic peel off base coat from Madame Glam. How cool is that, a peel off base coat? So pop that on my nails here, and I cure that in my LED lamp for 45 seconds. So the perfect thing about this obviously is that if you want to change the design, you can just peel it off. I love that, so clever. So yeah, cure that for 45 seconds, and then I go in with Plum Addict on my thumb. And then I pop 2 coats of that down, cure each coat in the LED lamp for 45 seconds. And then I go in with a top coat. So also the LED lamp that I've got from Madame Glam, the mini lamp, is on the website at the moment for $14.95. I also have a absolutely fantastic discount for you all guys, 30% off. I have the discount code, I will leave the discount code, in the description box. I also have a link for you all to where you can purchase these items. So check that out, guys, and a 30% discount is pretty phenomenal. So all the details for that discount code will be in the description box below for you all to check that out. So I'm just popping down another coat here of the gel polishes, Pumpkin Pie on my forefinger and Plum Addict on my thumb and my ring finger. So just cure this in my LED lamp for 45 seconds, and then I go in and I do a little bit of nail art. So I didn't do too much nail art because I really didn't want to take the shine away from how beautiful these gel polishes are, as they're so rich in colour and you just get such beautiful coverage from them. So I used a very fine detail brush and I used the shade Pumpkin Pie. Just wanted to tie all those colours together, just with a little bit of nail art on the ring finger here on my feature nail. So just do a few little waves, just to make it look pretty. And then I cure that in my LED lamp for 60 seconds. So, for 45 seconds, And then I go in with the UV gel top coat, Madame Glam's UV gel top coat. It's a soak off top coat, so perfect. Just, if you need to, just soak them off quite easily. And so I cure that in my LED lamp for 60 seconds. pop some cuticle on, and that is my design. So, thank you so much for watching my video this week, guys. I really do appreciate all of your love and support. If you enjoyed my video, as always, please give me a massive thumbs up because it really does help me. And like I said, I appreciate it. So, if you like this video, please subscribe to my channel for more videos just like this. And don't forget to follow me on Instagram, Facebook, Twitter and TikTok. And I shall see you in my next video. Take care, everybody, and I'll see you next time. Bye.